In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently integrate and use Close CRM with Google. Whether you're a sales professional or a small business owner, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to set up your Close CRM account with Google, ensuring that you can manage your communications smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the Close CRM website. You can do this by simply searching for Close CRM on your preferred web browser. Once you've reached the home page, you'll see an interface that is intuitive and user-friendly. Your first task is to locate and click on the Accounts and Apps section. This is vital as it allows you to manage various integrations and settings that enhance the functionality of your CRM software. Once you're in the Accounts and Apps section, you should look for the Connect with Google option. This feature is essential for syncing your email and calendar, which can significantly streamline your workflow and eliminate the hassle of switching between different platforms. Clicking on Connect with Google will prompt you to log into your Google account if you aren't already. Ensure you use the account associated with your business for maximum efficiency. After logging into your Google account, Close CRM will ask you to enable 3 options. Enabling these is crucial for the integration to work seamlessly. The first option typically concerns granting access to your contacts, which allows Close CRM to pull in and manage your contact list within the platform. This can save you time and effort in manually entering contact information and keep your database up to date with little input. The second option might deal with your calendar. By enabling this, you can sync your Google Calendar with Close CRM, meaning any meetings or follow-ups you schedule in Close CRM will automatically appear in your Google Calendar and vice versa. It helps ensure you never miss an appointment and keeps all your schedules in one place. The last option usually pertains to email integration. By enabling this, your emails can be synced and you can send and receive communication directly from the CRM platform. This capability can simplify tracking conversations with leads and clients, providing a comprehensive view of interactions without constantly checking your email separately. After enabling all 3 options, the final step is to click on Save. This ensures that all your settings and integrations are properly registered and ready to use. Always remember to double-check your settings if anything does not seem to be working properly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Close CRM with Google, enhancing your productivity and workflow efficiency. If you have further questions or run into any issues, Close CRM has a supportive customer service team and a wealth of online resources to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get the most out of your CRM system.